Hello, welcome to Sinha Tube YouTube channel. When you finally reach the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours requirement for the YouTube partner program, but you get stuck under review for days, weeks or even months. Today I am going to show you a trick which is surely make your application get reviewed at no time. I got reviewed and monetized just in 4 hours after doing this trick. Well, this video is for you. Before we proceed to the video, as you guys know, shout out to Mr. Korean Life. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate about your comment. If you want to get mentioned in my next video, you should subscribe and press the bell icon to notify my future videos. Like, comment and share now. Let's jump into the video. Go to your web browser and go to YouTube, and now just come over to profile icon, just click on that and go to YouTube Studio and go over to analytics and change the days, last 365 days, and now go and click send feedback option, and now you can start to write in and tell them you complete the requirement. You can also add some more details. Before I already typed that, so I just copy and paste it here. Also you can write the same way. Write this: I recently met the requirement for the YouTube partner program. I have over 4000 hours of watch time and over 1000 subscribers. I started YouTube 10 months ago and I following all the rules and guidelines to show good content for my viewers. I'm just checking to see if there is anything additional you need from me for the review. Attached is a screenshot verifying these numbers. Now you have to take a screenshot to prove you reach requirement for the YouTube partner program, and you should highlight the important details. Days for last 365 days. And your channel. And your subscribers. And lastly, your watch hours. And now click done. After that, just click send. That's all for now. If you like this video, please make sure subscribe and press the notification bell to keep notified in my future videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.